In quadruped, push your chest away from the floor, lift the knees off, keeping your stack between your rib cage and your pelvis, or keeping that connection. Tail tucked if you tend to live in an anterior pelvic tilt, and then you're just reaching alternately and pushing away with the opposite arm. If the ground is too intense, you can come to an elevated surface. Again, do not let yourself go into an extension. Keep the knees pulling toward the floor. Keep your torso and your rib and your pelvis connected throughout this movement, and reach as far as it feels good. If neither of those feel good, you can kneel or sit and just cross and reach, and it's going to be just as effective. Here's some things to avoid, just to emphasize the position, which is really important. We don't want to be hanging off our hammies with our butt in the sky, feeling a lot of tension through the back body, and just kind of resting on those joints. We want to have tension. We want to have a connection between our rib cage and our pelvis. We want to feel those abs firing up so that our body can get comfortable, feeling that power position that we can use to get more out of our lifting, feel better while we're doing it, and get more out of our day.